How to password protect a zip file. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right in. So I'm just going to go ahead and head over to my PC right here and go to this file where I have a bunch of pictures and videos. So usually what happens is if you want to compress these, you just select them and then right click on it. From here, you have go to show more option, then click on send to, and click on compress zipped folder. So it will create a zip file. But what happens is if anyone opens it, everyone can access this without a password protection. So let's just quickly delete this. So what you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and search for 7-zip download, and then download an exe file from here. Once you download 7-zip, just open up this and you should be good to go. Once your 7-zip is installed, you can go back to your files, select your files, and then right-click on it. Show more options. Now you have an extra options here where it says 7-zip. You can click on add to document or compress. You could do that, but what you essentially want to do is add to archive. What this does is it will bring out a new pop-up here on your screen. You can name this. So let's just name it files for now. I'm just going to rename it. And if you set this name, you could choose the file format. You could do zip, WIM, tar, or 7z. And here on the encryption mode, you have only one encryption if it's 7z. But if you set this to a zip file, you have zip crypto as well as the AES 256. Now just simply enter your password. And once you have entered your password, you can just go ahead and confirm it. And now I'm just going to keep a simple password, something like admin, and re-enter the password. Now you could also show password if you would like, and then click on OK. Now, once that is done, the zip files will be created. So if I want to open this, or if you want to send this to anyone, they would have to enter the password to access those files. Since it's on our own PC, we don't need to enter the password, but if we send this to anyone, they could see the file name, but in order to access them or extract them, they would have to enter the password. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.